Hello students, myself Vijay Bhadauria, Study Point Inter College Kadawar Sitapur. You are most welcome in the virtual class. Today I am going to explain you exercise 7.1, question number 3. What is the question? Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. First you should know what are the meaning of collinear. If there are some points are given, suppose 2, 3 or 4, and all these points are lie on the same line. Okay, all these points lie on the same line. These are known as collinear point. Okay, now in this you have to determine these are collinear. How will you solve this? See, first take A and B, mark this point A, B, C. This point as A, this as B, this as C. First you will find AB. Okay, A is 1, 5, 1, 5, and B is 2, 3. B is 2, 3. You have to find, mark this one x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, x1, y1 and x2, y2. You have to find AB. You have to find AB. Formula is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Your x1 is 1 minus x2 is 2 square plus y1 is 5, y2 is 3, 5 minus 3. 1 minus 2 is -1 square plus 5 minus 3 is 2 square. -1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4 equal to root 5. Okay, AB equal to root 5. AB equal to root 5. Now find BC. BC. B point is 2, 3, 2, 3, and C point is -2, 11. Okay. Mark this as x1, y1, and x2, y2. This one as x2, y2. x2, y2. Okay. BC. What is BC? Under root same x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. BC equal to x1 is 2, minus x2 is -2, but here it is minus, so it will be plus 2 plus 2. Y1 is 3 minus y2 is -11, but here it is minus, so it will be plus 3 plus 11 square. BC equal to 2 plus 2 4 square plus 3 plus 11 14 square. BC equal to 16 plus 1 9 6. BC equal to root 2 1 2. You can express 2 1 2 as 53 into 2 into 2. This is in pair, 2 into 2 in pair, so it will come out. So BC equal to 2 root 53 unit. Okay, this is root 5 unit. Now find AC. AC. All will find AC. A is 1, 5 and C is -2, -11. x1, y1, x2, y2. x2, y2. Okay, find AC. AC equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. AC equal to x1 is 1 and x2 is -2. x1 is 1, here it is minus and here it is minus, so it will be plus 1 plus 2 square plus y1 is 5, y1 is 5, y2 is minus 11 and here it is minus, so it will be plus. Okay, so AC equal to 1 plus 2 3 square plus 11 plus 5 16 square. Now AC equal to 9 3 squares and 16 square is 2 5 6. Okay, so AC equal to root 2 6 5. You can factorize to get this 2 6 5. Okay, 5 5 ja 5 3 ja. Okay, so you cannot get its other form. Okay, because you are getting two prime numbers 5 and 53. Okay, so you cannot get other answer, so you can write as root 265 unit. Okay, to be collinear, it is compulsory to be collinear. It should be AB plus BC equal to AC. AB plus BC equal to AC. If you are adding AB plus BC, what you will get? If you are adding AB plus BC, what is AB? Sorry, what is AB? AB is root 5. AB is root 5 plus BC is root 2 1 2 and AC is root 2 6 5. Okay, these are not equal and sum of these two is not equal to this. So these points are not collinear. So 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 11 are not collinear. Okay, collinear. It was compulsory that AB plus BC should be AC to the collinear, but here it is not. AB plus BC is not equal to AC, so these are not collinear. Okay, now thank you and have a good day.